Everyone, I am Palak. I have been working as a PT trainer for last 1.5 years at PT School Barnala, which is highly recognized institute not only for IELTS PT spoken preparation but also for the filing process. In this video, we will discuss about the PT exam, new rules that have taken place on 7th of August 2025, test center, quality of test, experience, as well as some strategies to crack the PT exam. Many students are taking different type of exams such as IELTS, PT for going abroad for study as well as work purposes, in which PT is one of the common exam. But many students are worried because of the changes that have taken place in PT. But don't worry students, as I have recently taken PT exam and my main motto of taking exam is to share my experience with you everyone. And despite the changes that have taken place in PT exams, such as the addition of a summarized group discussion as well as the response to a situation, Pearson team has visited our office and they provided us a free voucher so that we can take exam. Then I took an exam on 25th of August 2025 and my experience was really so good as well as practical. As despite the changes, I have scored 81 in speaking. That was really so good. If I talk about the staff is really of a very cooperative nature as they guided every student wisely and they made us understand every rule and regulation of the test center in a very great way. Additionally, there are approximately 15 computers and each component of the PC is really of a very good quality. Apart from this, they made us understand everything before starting the exam. That is quite useful for us. During the exam, I haven't faced any type of technical issue as well as any other problem. That's really so good for me. Now we will discuss about the changes that have taken place in PT exam on 7th of August 2025, in which the predominant change is in the speaking section, which is the addition of summarized group discussion as well as respond to a situation. Second change is in the scoring criteria as the scoring distribution has been also changed. If I talk about the third change is in the writing section. Before the changes, many students were using different type of templates, but from now onwards, you should not use any type of template. Why? Because it may deduct your score. The last change is the human intervention. Before the changes, AI was the main checker of the PT exam, but from now onwards, some parts of the PT exam will be checked by human. So these are the changes that have taken place. All the changes have taken place, but there are many strategies that you can use to crack the PT exam, in which the first strategy is in the speaking section that you can use. As even if you are taking 70 to 80% of the content with great fluency as well as clear pronunciation, you will be capable of scoring perfect 90. So please take care of all these things. If I talk about the writing as well as listening section, you should be relevant as well as avoid spelling mistake that mostly students do, which deduct their score. So please avoid the spelling mistake and stay relevant. Talk about the reading section, grammatical knowledge as well as the understanding of the concept are important. So please take care of these things which will definitely enhance your score in the reading. So these are the things that you should take care of which will definitely help you to get your desired band. If you are also struggling to get your scores, you can visit PT School Barnala that is located behind the bus stand of Barnala. If you have any inquiry regarding PG, IELTS, spoken, computer classes, you can contact us. Apart from this, you can also make a call on the numbers that are given on the screen. As in the PT school, you will get the best service with certified teachers as well as there are labs which are well equipped. Apart from this, we will also provide you updated material which will definitely help you to crack the exam. So, visit PT School Barnala and contact us. Thank you.